Lichess. It is a better way to improve your chess skills. It has web page as well as a mobile app. So, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Lichess account. Watch the video till the end. First open your web browser and search lichess.org. Then you can see a interface like that, and to make your account click this. If you haven't created an account before, click register. Now you have to fill these things. Now you have to agree these conditions to make your account. Okay. Now click this register button. Now you have created your Lichess account. Now you can play chess games with many player in Lichess. You can play tournaments on this way. Also you can solve puzzles. You can play Lichess also using Lichess mobile app on your smartphone. So, this video show you how to create a Lichess account and some activities can perform on Lichess. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and get updates of my channel. Share this video to your friends who like to play chess. Goodbye.